forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. We are at Konoko Falls today, so I'm going to show you guys what's going on. We've done a vlog here already about 2 or 3 years ago. About 2 years ago I did a vlog here, but we're here today with family. So yeah, we're just taking in some of the animals and seeing what's here. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what's going on at Konoko Falls. It's a really nice attraction if you guys have not been. A lot of people don't even know about Konoko Falls. A lot of people haven't been. Most people know about Duns River, but this offers a little bit more, especially if you have family, young family, children, animals, parrots, iguanas, there's a crocodile, all different snake, and then the falls as well. So yeah, that's where we're at. Konoko Falls. You can hold it, Mum?
You can hold it. It's adventurous, no? Yeah.
Seat your nana, see ticket inside here. Snake inside, see there? That's the snake inside.
Sleeping. It's not moving, is it? It's sleeping, isn't it?
Jamaican
Boa. It's sleeping. It's quite big, isn't it?
See another one here? At the corner. The one right there. You go. You want to do the corner, look at the corner down there.
Oh yeah.
See the corner? See the corner
Right
there?
at the back.
Down there? That pretty thing down there?
Oh yeah.
Under the stick?
See it down there?
Yeah, see that?
Did you see it? Don't worry.
Yellow-billed parrot.
Yellow-billed parrot.
At the top there.
I've got plenty of them in my garden.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one you just cut. Do you like it?
She had a big body.
Wow.
Can I take a shot of it?
Yeah, you can. You put it on thick. Iguana.
Yeah, just like that.
What did you say?
Slow, don't they?
Yeah.
That's our friends, right?
Yeah.
Just like that.
That's their friends, right?
Cheese.
Yeah? That one walking straight here, nana.
She's coming to you. The tortoise coming towards you.
Come and say hello.
Yeah, say hi.
Hello.
Let's just gonna go out.
Where you going? Where you going?
Keep time.
He probably thinks you got food or something. It's alright from afar. You stay there. Don't come too close. What is it? Jamaican slider.
There it is. There's a tortoise there. Yeah, they're doing different things. Some of them are sleeping. That one's looking. There's quite a few in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Not interested in that one. You want grape or do you want vegan?
We're going to water now. Water. We're going to go in the water now. Down this way. Ready? And then at different points you come to different parts of the waterfall. So there's the first part of the falls there. This guy's got lots of steps to go down. Lots. But like I said, you can get to the waterfalls at any point. You go all the way down to the bottom, or you can just join the falls from different points. But it's really beautiful, you can see. Look. Yeah. Cool. And you can see it goes all the way down. You right? Pretty, isn't it? So this is the top, right? This is the very top. Very top. But it's not as like stunning as down below, but it is like nice. Really, really nice. And it goes all the way down, so we're going to look all the way down. All the way down to the bottom down there. Yeah. That's nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can, people start climbing from all different points. It is, yeah. Yeah. Say something to vlog. Yes guys, so a lot of people start climbing from here. I don't remember this being so much water in here last time. Do you?
No, because it wasn't so much because they block it up now, so the water stays.
Okay.
Less water go clear.
Okay. So we might take a little walk over, climb up on there.
Yeah? Let's try around the way.
Not far, just, you know, just here, like, you know.
I'm just going to break back half of the area.
I'm not climbing, I'm just there from here to here. I'm not climbing.
Here?
Yeah. It's so picturesque, isn't it? It's so picturesque. It's just so lovely. It's lovely. Yeah. Mini food.
What are you recording?
There's a little. Oh, we went to the museum last time, didn't we? There's a museum here.
Yeah, we did. And we had the chains. I didn't like
Yeah. Back up, back up, back up. And you can get a guide as well. You can get a tour guide. He will help you to go up. The guy in red is a tour guide and he helps people to climb up. So bird feeding, gift shop, museum, garden tour. Right, we're going to the museum. Go in, I'll go in. Come in. Yeah. Museum. Native Turkish. Do you remember this, Mum? This iron?
Yep.
Nan's got one, okay.
Is it antique?
It took us something.
Maybe. Mortar and pestle.
Oh, it's the garden house, that tent.
Yeah.
The garden wall.
Yeah. English and Jamaican clothes. They took out that thing that you changed it to. I think it was a bit, yeah, it was a bit much maybe. Yeah. Right, Naya?
What is that?
Little models of people.
Come.
This is what it's looking for.
Is it a statue? Is it a statue?
Yeah, well, they're pictures of, they're portraits of important people from Jamaica.
For me?
Yeah, well, you're from Jamaica, yeah.
Guys, this is a Jamaican corner. Your basket goes and jam, enough light, enough to get that line. Big up, best up, large up, stand up, stay up, live up, way up. And then the national heroes.
A history lesson of the plants of Jamaica.
Yes,
Go on then.
not,
Please
not
go
everything.
ahead.
So this is Ramgoat National.
And what do you do with it?
Tea bush.
Tea bush.
Yeah, this is a tea bush.
Mm-hmm.
So this is dandelion.
Mm-hmm.
Another tea bush.
Okay.
This is rice bitters.
Rice bitters.
That's another tea bush. Bitter, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is bitter. Let me see something else now. This one is, the name, try to remember the name, you know. Name the writers about it now come out.
And it's for true tea as well?
Yeah, yeah. Tea as well. Dandelion, that is. Name? That, I don't remember everything.
Mine
But that's
is
another tea bush.
Okay.
Very famous one. That's a lot of people come down from overseas and carry back this up.
Okay.
Take this back with them, yeah. That's one.
What have they got over here? Anything over here?
Fever grass.
Fever grass.
Lemon thing.
Yeah, lemongrass we call it.
Lemongrass.
That was lemongrass. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some more in there still. Oh, this is Aurelia.
Arela.
Yeah.
Ah,
The
Arela.
cold bush tea, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Arela.
I don't know if everybody do the thing.
So yes guys, just a short vlog today, Konoko Falls. If you haven't been, try and make a trip to come. Of course, you know, we'll take you there, don't miss it, we'll take you there. But yeah, it's a nice place to come for family. Like I said, if you've got kids, yeah, it's nice. Beautiful waterfall, beautiful surroundings, nature, everything. Yeah, really nice. So try and make a trip to Konoko Falls if you can.